Right, INSTABOOM Go, one press mode. Welcome to another video from SolarGates, and this one is on the INSTABOOM Go modes of operation and covers one press mode. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm going to assume you've already paired your devices and they're ready to go. If not, definitely check that video out. It's linked below, but one crucial point to highlight is that the slider should have been used so that you know which device operates from which button on the remote. Now, secondly, I'm going to make another assumption that you've already run through the setup process. Again, if not, check out that video as it's linked below and it'll get you up and running. So, we're going to start on site with the INSTABOOM Go devices up and running, with all the devices in the stop position. Now, this works for any connected system, either 2, 3 or 4 way. Using your remote, press the button for the device which you want to move to the Go position. This is a simple one button click. Don't push and hold here or you might go into the site set down mode. When you're ready to enable another phase of your works, and after the minimum time that you programmed into the master when you paired the system, all you need to do is push the button on the remote for the device you next want to go to the Go position. The control board will then rotate the current Go board to stop and then communicate with the requested device, rotating that to Go after the preset stop time, which again is set in the master settings before you went live. Now that's really all there is to it. When you're done with the works, make use of the site set down mode discussed in the previous video. So thanks for watching. There's a growing collection of what I really hope are helpful videos here on the YouTube channel for SolarGates. If you need help or assistance at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and we look forward to hearing from you.